In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your eXp Slack account from your email invitation. Slack is where your team collaborates, shares updates, and stays organized in channels. Getting your account set up correctly ensures you can jump into conversations without missing a beat. Let's walk through the process together so it's smooth and stress-free. Start by opening your eXp email inbox and locating the invitation to join Slack. The subject usually mentions an invitation, and it will contain a unique link just for you. If you don't see it right away, try searching for Slack or invitation, and take a quick look in your spam or junk folder. When you find the message, click the invitation link on a trusted device and browser so you land on the correct sign-up page. On the Slack page that opens, you'll be prompted to create your account using your eXp email address. Enter that address carefully to make sure your account is tied to the right workspace. You'll also be asked to set a password. Create a strong, unique password and store it securely. Depending on your organization's settings, Slack may ask you to confirm your email or complete a quick on-screen verification. Just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Next, you'll be taken into the eXp workspace. You might see the workspace name or logo to confirm you're in the right place. Accept the invitation to join, and Slack will complete the connection between your new account and the workspace so you can access channels, messages, and files shared with your team. Before you start chatting, take a moment to set up your profile. Add your full name so colleagues can find you easily, and choose a clear display name if your organization uses preferred names. Upload a professional, recognizable profile photo to help people identify you in channels and direct messages. Fill in other helpful details such as your job title, department, location, and time zone. A short, friendly bio can also make it easier for teammates to understand what you do and how you can help. Keep everything accurate and professional, and remember, you can come back to edit these details at any time. That's it, you're set up and ready to collaborate. If the invitation link doesn't work or you can't find the email, request a fresh invite from your administrator or support team. Otherwise, you're now in the eXp Slack workspace with a polished profile that helps you connect quickly and communicate clearly.